If your Anthurium stem cuttings are struggling in a small pot, this video will be helpful. A few signs that indicate to shift the fresh-grown Anthuriums into a bigger pot, as they will have healthy dark leaves and healthy stems. And some new leaves are trying to pop up from the stems. Oh wait, need your attention here, as one of the baby Anthurium plant's leaves has yellowish circles. And the center is kind of a dark olive color. It really looks scary, kind of snake prints. Please let me know if you have any suggestions. My other baby Anthuriums are growing very well. Very glowing leaves and much bigger than the size of the plant pots. You can feel this joy, right? This touch and feel are different. For Anthurium lovers, you can feel the velvety hand feel. Want to see full video from stem cuttings to growth? Check the description for video. I have prepared the soil earlier, as they are very useful to grow any kind of aroid plants. You can check my previous videos for the soil making process. Alright, as this stem was not that much old, they might not have any roots. But I can take them out from the pot easily because of the chunky soil mixtures. I am shocked that new leaves are about to grow from the other side. This very cool and enjoying plant ever I had. You might notice that I have used chunky soil mixtures, but mostly used the cocoa pit and perlite too. They really help a lot. It's been a week now since I did the repot, and the plant is now much healthier and well-grown. Next time, I am going to use a different soil media in this mixture. This is commonly used in some nurseries to grow baby plants. Maybe you know the name too. It's called rice hulls or husks. This is a popular substrate for gardening since they absorb liquid and are an environmentally sustainable drainage option. In fact, they are one of the most sustainable soil amendments available for greenhouse growers. So, now we are moving the stem to the new pot, where the stem we are putting a bit inside of the pot. As we are using the chunky media, the plant will get enough air and water circulations inside. I am not pushing, as the soil mixture needs to be relaxed, and a little shake would be okay to fit the soil in this pot. Once the planting done, keep it under shade and in lights area. Water them to keep moist for a few weeks. That's it. I will keep you posted regarding these plants' updates soon. Stay tuned with this channel for more updates, and do not forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Your support means a lot to me.